Good afternoon. I'm Tom Philp. I am here with General Manager Jeff Kightlinger to talk about water issues of the day. As you can see, we have left the safe confines of headquarters and we are in Laverne at the Weymouth Treatment Plant. Jeff, what's going on around here?
So we're out here on a sunny February day. We're about to start a shutdown at the Weymouth Treatment Plant. We're tying it into full ozone treatment. This plant came online in 1941, 75 years ago. First delivery of water to Southern California, June 1941. So it's quite an auspicious moment. What we're doing is we're upgrading the whole plant, doing a lot of maintenance work, but we're adding a $270 million construction project to get to full ozone treatment here. And the goal is to have that tied in by spring of 17.
So this is the last of our 5 treatment plants to have this, to undergo this?
Yes, we've already done 4 treatment plants. This is our 5th treatment plant. And then our 15-year capital program, over $1 billion, will be completed. All water in Southern California delivered by Metropolitan will be treated with ozone, which is better tasting, better quality, safer for consumers, complies in an incredible way with all drinking water requirements. So quite a moment for us when that comes online a year from now.
So this has been kind of a unique program on water quality, but overall our capital strategy, or at least the focus of our capital expenditures, has shifted over time. Talk about that.
Sure. 15 years ago, we were so concerned with the rapid growth in Southern California, particularly in the Inland Empire area. Probably about 70% of our capital dollars were spent on what we call growth projects, new pipelines, new treatment, etc. Now, 70% of our money is being spent on capital programs is for repair and replacement, upgrading our old 75-year-old system. So that way we don't have a sudden breakdown or, emergency outages. It's quite a switch over the last 15 years, and it's a challenge to our workforce.
Look into your crystal ball a bit. Do you think this will continue into the future, that most of our capital investments will be mostly to maintain our current system rather than for growth?
Absolutely. As systems age, they require constant maintenance and upkeep. And we don't want to be in a situation that you've seen in lots of parts of the country where they have so much deferred maintenance. They have outages, breakdowns, serious problems. Not here at Metropolitan. We have been planning for this, and we spend, as we said, we're spending 70% of all our money on upgrading and maintaining the system for the future.
And give some sense of scale of the budget. What kind of capital budget are we talking about in any given year?
Usually we spend about $200, sometimes $225 million a year. And so that means well over close to $150 million of that is all just upgrading equipment that have been put in place by our forefathers.
So while we're out here with all this capital activity at Weymouth, the whole Colorado system shut down. What's happening there?
So Colorado system, likewise over 75 years old, it needs constant maintenance. So at least once a year we try and shut down for something like a 2-week period because we can't work on it while the water is moving through the system. So we shut it down, drain all the water out of it, and we repair a lot of the concrete. We're replacing all the electrical systems. Slowly but surely, we are refurbishing our aqueduct, so it is a 2015, 2016 aqueduct, not a 1930s aqueduct.
Well, looks like things are going well
so far.
Thanks, Jeff.